Hi, today we're going to talk about synonyms one more day. And the thing we're going to talk about today is a little bit with the definition. So, the definition of a synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same thing. So, let's talk about two words. Let's say the word thrilled and pleased. So, are those two words synonyms? But do they mean the exact same thing? So if I had the sentence and I said, John was pleased that his team won the tournament, or John was thrilled that his team won the tournament, does that say to you, do those mean the exact same thing? I think they both mean that he's happy about it, but one of them means it more. Like if you're thrilled, you're like super excited, right? And if you're pleased, then you're just happy about it. Does that make sense? So they both mean happy, but they mean it in kind of a different way. So what we're going to do with that today is put some words on a chart. I have all the words here. I'm going to get rid of some of them. All right. So we put the words on a, sort of like a number line, only it's going to be a word line. So we're going to start over here with a small dot and pleased. And then we're going to go to the intensity dot that's much bigger. And we'll put thrilled. Oh, I have joyous here. I erased thrilled. I'm sorry. I should have put thrilled in there somewhere. Maybe right here. We'll make this one thrilled. So what other kinds of words mean this thing? Any ideas? Well, I would say happy because we already said happy. And happy's over here somewhere. Any more? How about content? Do you know that word, content? It might even come before happy. So when you're making your charts today, there can be there's not a absolute right or wrong to the process. It just depends on the context that you're using. John was content that his team won the game. That kind of means satisfied, happy and satisfied. Content that they won the game. It's not super excited. Oh, look, we said excited. Let's put excited down here somewhere. Let's put excited right here. Excited. Okay. This is super excited. Here's this word joyous. I wanted to include this word because it was a word on another paper and some of my students didn't know that it was a real word. It means full of joy. So that's a good one, right? Full of joy. And excited. How about, what would be another one? How about delighted? You heard people say delighted? It goes a little bit this way. Delighted. And another one could be gleeful. That's kind of a funny word. Gleeful. I guess if you watch that show Glee, you would think that was a good word. Could put it here, gleeful. Or the word cheerful. Cheerful. He was cheerful that his team won. And then there's this word overjoyed, which means more joy than you can handle, right? I guess I should put ED on it. Overjoyed. Overjoyed. So from the least to the largest. Now you might not agree with where I placed every one of them, but you kind of get the idea that overjoyed means a little happier than just happy, right? And excited is certainly some more joy in you than content. So it is your job today to make a line like this. Actually, you're going to make two of them. And you'll find in your homework that, you'll find in the assignment that there's a page that lists a bunch of words that go together. And then I believe it's a dark word to a dark word, and all the ones in the middle go with it. Now you might have to look some of those words up. Remember, dictionary.com will help you. Or think of them in a sentence. But you have 2 lines to fill out today, so you need to pick 2 of those sets of words and put them across the line like this. And you should be able to do that. You have 2 lines on your paper in your assignment. So, there you go. Thanks. Bye.